Moving to or within St. Paul, Minnesota? Full-service movers offer a top-tier option, but only if you know what to look for. Over the next 5 minutes, I'll share 5 sharp, non-redundant tips to ensure your move is seamless, efficient, and stress-free. Snow, ice, and spring slush can challenge moving day. Full-service jobs require weather readiness, ice melt, waterproof equipment, flexible schedules. Confirm your mover handles tough Twin Cities conditions. Many St. Paul neighborhoods, especially historic areas, demand parking permits or restrict truck access during peak hours or street maintenance. Choose movers experienced with local regulations to avoid fines or delays. Hourly billing in downtown rush hour can skyrocket your moving cost. For St. Paul's dense core, flat rate pricing offers budget control, especially for standard 2-3 bedroom moves. The upper Midwest climate affects wrapping needs, temperature shifts, and humidity risks. Make sure your full-service provider uses moisture-resistant, secure packing for furniture, art, and electronics. St. Paul enforces noise regulations and parking restrictions in residential zones, especially overnight. Schedule movers early in the day to avoid city fines or neighbor complaints. St. Paul moves come with unique challenges: weather, historic neighborhoods, and city rules. But with thoughtful planning and the right full-service team, yours can be a move to remember for all the right reasons. Found this helpful? Subscribe for more local move tips, and comment below. What's your biggest concern about moving around St. Paul? Let's talk solutions.